Mac Voices is in Las Vegas for CES. I'm Chuck Joyner. Folks, we stopped by the FavoredTech booth. We wanted to talk to Tom about what they're doing to waterproof different electronics. Tom, good to see you. Thanks so much.
Great to be on talking with you about this.
Yes. So you have a bunch of electronics of all kinds here submerged underwater and running.
That is correct. We provide a coating that will protect electronics that's down in the low nanometer range. It's between 15 nanometer and 500 nanometers thick. And it is applied during the manufacturing process in mass-produced electronics.
So this is not something I can send my iPhone to you and have you do for it.
I wish it was. I would like to have that myself, but no, it's not. This is during the manufacturing process.
Yeah, but still, I think even that said, it's interesting because if I see something that's going to be branded as having this technology applied to it, I can feel pretty confident that it's going to be indeed waterproof.
Yes, you can. We've already coated somewhere around 200 million phones or phone parts in Asia. We're very big with the major manufacturers over there.
And you just came to this country last year?
Last year at CES was our introduction into the U.S. That's when we first got here, and we are pushing forward here as hard as we can.
Well, that's good. It must be going well because you're back again.
We are back, absolutely.
In a very big booth, too.
Yes.
So would you like to show us
Can
a
we
little
give you a little demo
Would
here?
love to, yes,
It's really
please.
the most interesting for this. So we have a phone here. It's running. And if we pick that phone up, it's underwater. Pick the phone up, you will see that it is underwater and does not have a back on it. As well, it is plugged into and charging. And you can even hear the music. It's not very loud. You can see it spitting out music there. Yeah. Some water. So it is, at this level of coating, is extremely effective at waterproofing. These IPX7 or IPX8 is what we typically are going for. These are in fact a bit more because we want them to last 40 hours at CES. So they're in here every day, all day. So
wow.
They're well protected.
So I have to ask about the usual entry points where the water gets in. Headphone jacks, power jacks. You know, how does this handle that?
So we coat them, and in the power jack, we coat it with a coating the correct thickness so that it will conduct as well. As you can see, this is conducting. Right. It's charging the phone.
Yeah, that's. I mean.
And one of our biggest things with the different customers is to coat the USB board. And when there was a headphone jack, the headphone jack boards. Those seem to be going away.
Yeah, that's a good point. That's a very good
point. But that's we coat them separately. Often a little thicker, but really depends on what the manufacturer wants. So we work closely with our manufacturers and determine what they really want. Do they want a splash proof, or do they want to make it waterproof, and then customize the solution to what they want.
Now, given that, this next question may not be answerable, but okay. What does it typically take to coat, say, an iPhone-sized device? What kind of cost is involved in that? And I realize it's OEM, so right. It's not something, but it obviously gets built into the consumer price.
So it is half to an eighth of the cost of physically sealing them. So when you have an iPhone 10 or something, or any of the more waterproof phones, they have physical seals all around the bezel, and they have a very special, more expensive connector because it has to be waterproof. And that all can be $10 or so, and we're much less than that. I can't go into exact pricing. It really depends on scale.
Sure. Well, and like you said, how waterproof you want it to be. So exactly. Makes perfect sense. Just, not having any frame of reference, you don't know whether it's 2 cents or $20. So that's why
definitely more than 2 cents.
Yeah, well, I kind of figured that. So, where can folks go to learn more about this technology, whether they're just interested or maybe a manufacturer that would like to contact you?
FavoredTech.com. We have a website. There is a form that you can fill out there, and we answer everything that comes through there.
Great. Tom, thank you.
We're here.
Yeah, and you're here, yes. Thank you so much for the time.
Well,
Good
thank
job.
you very much.
Good job.
Nice talking to you.
Thank you. Folks, we'll have more from CES in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching.